Okay. Aditya Rao. Aditya Rao is present.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Adnan is not there. Akhilesh is not there. Then which Aryan is this? Aryan Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Daksh in the class. Then we have
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar Parth, Kushagra Singh.
Yes. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Kushagra Singh Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Roma in the class. Roma, are you there?
Present.
Siddhi is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
And Vanshraj Gill also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, we were on question answers of 9, right?
Yes,
Fine, fine. So open your books.
Yes.
हाँ जी बेटा, बताइए क्या कर रहे थे?
Ma'am, F part question number 4, page number 60.
Find out the answer. I'll ask you within 2 minutes.
Ma'am, find it.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मेरा बच्चा, गुड मॉर्निंग. बेटा, shall we discuss?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बेटा जल्दी से. गुड बॉय. Yes, who will tell the answer, Parth or Daksh?
Ma'am, I'm finding the answer.
Ma'am, find it already.
Done? All the answers
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
discussed.
No, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, till third we have done.
The fourth one, I'm asking you the answer. No, tell.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Tell, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Page number 65, paragraph women reformers. First point, Pandita Ramabai was one such pioneer in the field of women reforms. Second point, from third paragraph, Ramabai began her social work with Mahila in Pune. Then third point, later she established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian Bombay. Fourth, Ramabai greatest contribution to educate the widows. Fifth point, she left and her pupils to carry her Memnon.
हाँ जी पार्थ, आपने बता दिया बेटा आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring out the efforts made by Pandita Ramabai for improving the condition of the women. यही तो करा है हमने अभी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Good. तो I think everyone has marked the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That's very good. We have Siddhi. Next answer. Within 2 minutes, you will tell.
Among the Muslims, Khwaja Altaf Hussain Ali and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah introduced education for girls. The legal movement led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also did much for the education and emancipation of Muslim women.
टाइमिंग्स. ठीक है सिद्धि, इसको पॉइंट्स में कैसे करेंगे बच्चे? सिद्धांत, रोमा विल टेल और हु विल टेल? रोमा, you will tell
Yes.
this same answer in points. How you are going to write? Dictate it so that others can also write accordingly, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first point, among the Muslims, Khawaja Altaf Hussain Ali and
बोलो. बोलो रोमा.
Yes, ma'am. Among the Muslims, Khwaja Altaf Hussain Ali and Shakib Muhammad Abu Dhar introduced education for girls. First point. Then, second point, the legal movement led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also did much of the education and enactation of Muslim women.
Emancipation of Muslim women. ठीक है, very good, very good. What you people can do is, in this answer, you can add on certain lines on your own as well, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Like what you can do is, you can tell that several efforts were undertaken to facilitate social reform in Muslim society by many of the social reformers. Namely, then you can write the names of these people. Then second point, you can write that, see, in the previous chapter, we have read about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, no? The Aligarh Muslim University that was established by him. So what you can do is, you can take points from there as well, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Fine. Do I need to repeat the whole thing again?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. That's very good. Beta, coming to the next question, next part, that is G. What led the social reformers to work for the emancipation of women? Beta, find the answer, 2 minutes. Then Kushagra, are you there? Kushagra Gautam or Kushagra Singh? Anushka, Vanshraj, Ilma, are you there? Ilma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell this, you find the answer for this question on page 68, G exercise, first one, 80 to 100 words. After 2 minutes, I'll ask you, okay? Aryan, Aditya Rao,
Yes, ma'am.
are you people there? Listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the answer. We'll discuss within 2 minutes, okay? हुआ बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, waiting. Okay, starting class at 9 o'clock has provided us with the opportunity of many of the students attending the class.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
first time we have 12 participants in the class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good.
And Malayala used to wake up at 8:30
Okay.
when the
So
class
9
was.
o'clock, half an hour. Exactly. So you have got half an hour to get fresh and everything, no? Fine. Shall we start? Who will tell the answer? Vansh? Yes, Vansh? Tell the answer, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Acha, Siddhi, do you know the answer, beta?
Ma'am, there are many social reformers. So, ma'am, have we have already written in
What-
other answers also. So,
The question is asking you that what led the किन कारणों से सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स जो थे उन्होंने इमेंसिपेशन ऑफ विमेन के लिए वर्क करा दिस दे आर आस्किंग
Ma'am, can I?
यस कुमार यस पार्थ यू कैन ट्राई
Yes, ma'am.
कैन
Ma'am,
वी हैव द कैमरास ऑन चिल्ड्रन
okay, ma'am.
yes that's it see I am in school in one of the classrooms it
Yes,
will give
ma'am.
you feeling of sitting in the
Yes, ma'am.
class right
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी चलो tell the answer tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer
On page number,
Hmm.
ma'am, on page number 63, ma'am,
Hmm.
left side, last paragraph, sociologist reform. Ma'am, from the long time, the British rulers remained indifferent to the practice of these social customs. It was in the first half of the 19th century that efforts were made to eradicate these practices. Many educated
Hmm.
Indians worked to bring socio-religious reforms and to improve the condition of women. Some of the reformers were Raja Raman Roy, Vachan Vidyasagar, and others. Then on page number, uh, ma'am, on page number 64, uh,
yes
ma'am, second paragraph. As
paragraph
a result, by the
हाँ
second half of the 19th century, there were several
hmm.
reform groups across India. Uh, Ma'am, till here, then there are
हाँ
example of
ठीक है
social reform movements like by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Sati system, and Ishwachand
yes
Vidyasagar, female education, and
championed
Swami
the cause of female
Vivekanand.
education
Uh,
yes the founder of
yes, ma'am.
Ramakrishna mission
Then in
very good
yes, ma'am. Like that, ma'am. There are
next
so many, and ma'am
very good part
and on page number 66,
yes
ma'am, we can take from
the second
yes,
line the movement
last
for the liberation of women also got a stimulus
yes, ma'am.
from the rise of nationalism in the 20th century that participation and agitation against the partition of Bengal the home rule movement the Swadeshi movement and the movements led by Gandhiji like non-cooperation and civil disobedience contributed to their liberation this also we can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Then last paragraph, the efforts of all these social reformers of the
Yes, ma'am.
19th and the 20th century stemmed from the fact that they had realized the importance of a progressive society through their knowledge of Western ideas and ancient learning.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
This way we can do. Okay.
Thank you.
I
Okay,
hope the
ma'am.
answer is clear to all of you, class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. That's really very good. So, how are we going to now? Next question. Next is what were the main achievements of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? See again, page number 64, we have this answer. The last two lines where it is written Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar championed the cause of female education till the Hindu widows to remarry. These two paragraphs into 6 points you can write. Fine? Fine class?
Okay, ma'am.
This
Okay,
will be
ma'am.
Ma'am, widow remarriage part.
till like Hindu widows to remarry. These two paragraphs into points you can write. It is not necessary that everything you are going to write. It's like yesterday I told
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
we need to learn
Yes, ma'am.
how to frame a proper answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo good.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, till social action
no,
or
no.
ma'am till spiritualism.
Uh, we have to write till Acha, theek hai. We are writing about issue which till social action we have this paragraph.
Yes.
Social action, 3 paragraphs we have, but then you give only 6 points, not more than that. Chalk out the best ones,
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
That way it is easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, see, there is no point writing everything every time.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to the next question. Compare the present status of women with that of the 19th and the early 20th century. Now, इसमें तो what you have to do? रोमा क्या करेंगे इस वाले आंसर में particularly बताइए. बताओ.
Ma'am, we can make a table.
हाँ, we can make.
On the left side, we can write the status, the 19th century, 19th.
Status of, listen, what we can do is we can write on one side status of women in 21st century and status of women in 19th and the early 20th century, right? Right, Roma?
Ma'am, can you repeat once again?
What we can do is we can have a partition. On one side,
Yes, ma'am.
we can write the status, the present status of women,
Yes, ma'am.
or you can write a status of women in 21st century. And on the other
Yes,
side, you
ma'am.
can write status of women in 19th and the early 20th century. From the question itself, I'm telling you.
Okay. So, ma'am, we have to write the points by own as ma'am how ma'am the life of ma'am now.
Yes,
and
I
then,
think,
okay.
right. What we will do in the next class that we will be having, we will discuss this particular question there. Keep your answers prepared with
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Don't fare them out, right? Write them in a rough note.
Okay, ma'am.
And after listening to your answers, we can compile all the points that you will be giving, and then we can have a good answer for the question, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Now
Thank you, ma'am.
coming to the next question, that is, how did personal experiences lead Ram Mohan and Vidyasagar to take up the cause of social reform? Now this answer again.
Ma'am,
Yes, Parth.
ma'am, one though about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, you tell that ma'am, his brother's wife, ma'am, was Bhabi. So, ma'am, when his brother died, so ma'am, she also had to go as Sati, like that.
Right. You remember the story that I told you?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can write is, you can always write about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, like it is written on page 64. Raja Ram Mohan Roy's name is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers. He is also known, historians have often called him the father of modern India. And a champion of women's right. He worked tirelessly to reform the Indian society. इतना लिखने के बाद, same like you again, you make two partitions of the on the page. On one side you write about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and one side you write about Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Like both these people,
Okay, ma'am.
both of them, they had their own personal experiences which made them work for the upliftment of women in the society. You can quote the example like Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. He was living in one of the ashramas with one of his gurus, where he saw his guru practicing uh, where he saw his guru, aged guru, marrying a young girl, and after a certain age he died, and the girl became a widow at a very early age. So this gave inspiration to Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar to think about the upliftment, remarriage, widow remarriages of the women in the society. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Then Raja Ram Mohan Roy again, when in his own family, when he saw his Bhabi being Sati, Bhabi being made Sati, as his brother was aged and he married a young girl. So again, he got inspiration from the family itself to work for the upliftment of women and to do away with the practice of Sati in the Indian society.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Now,